amazing Hiccup Hunters! Hiccups, Hiccups, where are you? Hiccups, Hiccups, we'll find you. We can see you with our ears. We can make you disappear. Beware! You're right behind you. Watch out! We're gonna get you. Hiccups, Hiccups, where are you? The great Hiccup Hunters! That's us. We'll find you.
You really are the best hiccup hunters in the whole wide world.
You're welcome. So the two wonderful Hiccup Hunters let all the sheep play leapfrog together. Once again, the amazing Hiccup Hunters had proven that they were the greatest Hiccup Hunters ever.
Hiccup.
Oh, poor Binoo. You still have... Oh, you scared me so much, Mrs. Sheep. Did it scare you, Binoo? Yes? Oh, Mrs. Sheep is so funny. Hey,